What's up, guys? Today we are looking at this, the NewC Premium Glass Screen Protector. It is for the iPhone 12 mini, and it's a 3-pack, and it covers the 5.4-inch screen of the iPhone 12 mini. They say it's anti-scratch, bubble-free, and ultra-resistant. Don't know what that means. Okay, so it gives you instructions at the back, which is quite nice. Step 1, use a wet cloth to clean the screen. Use microfiber to wipe it dry. Then use a sticker. Okay, that's fine. Place the, I can't really see there. Remove any remaining bubbles. Gently press in the middle of the screen for 10 seconds. The screen protector will slowly stick to the screen. So normally with that glass screen protectors, they're a lot easier compared to the film, because the film is so messy to deal with. Okay, so we get a wet wipe, dry wipe. We need one of those. Put this aside. The sticker guide. We'll need one of these. 1, 2, and 3. And this is labeled the back. So this is the front, and then you have to peel this off. Pretty basic. Okay, so I'm just going to check these if there are any issues. Looks okay to me. And then this one here looks okay to me. I'll set that aside. First we need the wet wipe. Hopefully these are wet. Previous ones I've gotten, they're not wet. Oh my god, this thing is tiny. This is wet, but if not, you can just use some alcohol and just wipe it over the screen of the phone. This gets any dust particles out of the way. Thing that I don't like about the iPhone 12 mini is that it doesn't sit flat, so it's giving me some play when I'm doing this. Okay, so that's the wet. Put that aside. This is the dry. Wipe this like so. It doesn't come with any squidgy thing. I'm surprised by that. Just gonna double check the instructions. Place screen cutouts. Secure. Then peel off. I think the easiest way to do this is just to peel it off first, because there's no way, because it is flat. Just some. Oh no, I should have used the sticker. Okay. So this is to get any of the extra dust particles. Looks good. Then I use these sticker guides. 2 should do. Does its magic there. It says to hold in the middle for 10 seconds. But I think we're good. Okay, I have a cloth here. Just gonna wipe the screen down. Applying pressure to make sure that all the air bubbles are out, but glass screen protectors are pretty good. They don't really hold in bubbles because it's a solid surface. And there we have it. iPhone 12 mini glass screen protector. Yep, so I'll put the Amazon link in the description below. It cost about 6 or 7 euros. Shipping was included with Prime. Yep, there we have it. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and join us on Discord. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Why somebody complains about